Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I am going to go over my March paycheck number 2 budget. So this paycheck is from March the 17th through March the 30th. So as usual, I am in this Clever Fox dotted notebook and just gone through and I wrote my categories down just to save a little bit of time. So first up we have income, and my income is $1,500. It's the same every single paycheck, and I shared in a previous video that I don't share my raises on my channel, and so I will continue to budget and live off of $1,500, and the remainder of any bonuses or raises that I might get, promotions, whatever else might come this year, it's all going straight to my my 401k. So I've been living off of $1,500 for a really long time, and I'm going to continue to make that work. So first expense is my Roth IRA, and I am maxing that out. So I'm going to allocate $250. The yearly maximum for somebody my age is $6,500, and so 250 times 26 pay periods is $6,500. So I am maxing that out. Okay, next up are my expenses. The first expense is half of my rent. That is $310. I like to set aside half of these expenses so that when it comes time to pay them, it's not coming out of one check. So my monthly rent of $610 includes my rent, it includes the trash, and it includes the internet. So all of those things come out of that $310. 500 of it's my, is it 500 is my rent? Yeah, 500 is rent, $92 or $93 is the internet, and then the rest is the trash bill, something like that. I live in Central Arkansas, where the cost of living is pretty inexpensive, and we are renting from my children's father, so you know, the rent is reasonably priced. Next up, I have my electric bill. Half of that is $100. So there are going to be some months where the electric bill is higher. There will be some months where it is lower. But I was talking to my daughter, and I'm just going to give her $100 every 2 weeks. And then she's just going to hang on to that in her Cash App. And then if we have a month where the utilities are a little bit higher, hopefully we'll have enough money in that account to cover it, and if not, I can give her a little bit more. So I'm gonna try to give her $100 every 2 weeks in hopes that it covers the electric bill. Okay, then we have the water bill. That is $20. And then my daughter, Carol Ann, she's gonna get $160. She is in physician assistant school. She is in school still until the end of September, I think, and then she'll graduate and start looking for a job. But until she passes her exam and gets a job, you know, I give her $160 every 2 weeks, so $80 a week for gas and spending and any food that I don't already provide for her. So the total of all of these expenses is $590, right? Because that's $410, $430, and then $590. Then I have cash expenses. The first expense is food, and I budget $100 a week. So that category is going to get $200. So that's essentially $50 a week per person. And that's been working out pretty well for us. We don't really need much, so I'm hoping to have a lot of that left over that I can put towards house savings. Then we have gas for my car. I'm gonna budget $40. Then we have the cleaning ladies, and they are gonna get $100. They come every Wednesday after I'm paid, and they do all the deep cleaning in the house. I have herniated disc in my neck. I can't feel my fingers, and have herniated disc in my back, and I have sciatica, and I've got nerve pain shooting down my legs. So I suffer from a lot of chronic pain, and it's really, really hard for me to bend over and do any task. And so I am very thankful to have found these ladies that will clean our house for $100, because we needed it, and I'm very thankful that we can afford it. Next up is lawn care. That's actually not going to get any money. I still have money in the envelope, and the guy hasn't come yet. So total cash expenses is $340. Then we have sinking funds. First sinking fund is my grandbaby that is due in October of this year. I am going to budget $40. So that's $20 per week. Then we have fur babies, and fur babies is going to get $20 a week. Now we have 5 cats and a dog in this house, and this is really just for vet visits. I forgot to mention, like, my food budget also includes pet food as well. And I also even lump prescriptions into this category. So my food category actually covers a lot. So that's why you don't see like fur babies cash expense, because I don't need to get them stuff every week. And so I get it when I need it, and the rest I spend on food. Let's see. Next is car maintenance. I have a 2014 Kia Soul that is paid for, and it's got right at 101,000 miles. And so this is for any maintenance that that car might need. Oil changes, tire rotations, new tires, whatever. Then I've got car insurance. I have full coverage car insurance on my car, and I pay it every 6 months. It was just paid in February, and so $20 a week will get me to the amount that I'm going to need in another, 5 months or so when it's due again. Then we have gifts. So this is for birthdays, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas. This is for everything. And I'm budgeting $20 a week for that. So that's going to be $40 as well. So total for sinking funds is $200. So last category is house savings. So my daughter and I have a dream of owning a little bit of property and maybe have 2 small homes on it. I've been looking at house plans, and have found quite a few that I really like that are about anywhere from 700 to 800 square feet. So I'm definitely not looking to purchase something big. I want something that is going to be really easy for me to take care of as I get older, and something that isn't very expensive so it can be paid off quickly. And so right now, since this is my savings goal, everything extra is going towards that. So house savings is going to get $120 from this paycheck, which is really exciting. If you're new here, I am completely debt-free. I have a fully funded emergency fund, $10,000. I am contributing to my Roth IRA. I'm maxing it out, and I am also contributing all of my increases to my employer's 401k plan. So I have already hit a lot of milestones, and now I would like to purchase a home, and then when I get said home, the goal will be to pay this off as quickly as possible. So that is everything for me, guys. This was a really easy budget. Not a whole lot going on this check, but I'm excited to have some money left over for house savings. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. And I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.